coding assistants, but they have a major flaw: amnesia. Every time you start a new file, generic AI tools guess how you want to code. They ignore your architecture, your patterns, and your style. And you spend half your time rewriting their code. So, for CodeSpring 2025, I built the solution. This is CodeGhost, the first AI that creates a generic map of your coding style. And here is a fresh instance. It's a blank slate, it knows nothing about me yet. And now I'm going to connect it to my repository. Just look closely. And when I will paste the link of the GitHub repository in it and click import, it will do it. And behind the scenes, we aren't just reading text. We are parsing the abstract syntax tree of the code base to understand the structural logic, not just the syntax. And here you can see that it has learned 5 patterns of my code, and it has just built a style profile of my engineering DNA. Using Supabase Vector storage and Gemini embeddings, it detected all my patterns. Let me just give you an example of that. As you can see here, it detected five of my patterns in my coding. And if we take a closer look, it has observed my pattern of error handling that I use try catch in code. And the best part is that no genetic AI LLM has this context. So let's just put this to the test. So I'm just gonna ask it a question that how did so as you can see that it won't give me a generic answer. Rather, it will give me a specific answer based on my code that I provided. Now just look at this response that it has given me. It has explicitly mentioned the reference to the actual code that I gave it. That's quite impressive because a standard AI would hallucinate a generic answer. But look at CodeGhost. It performs a semantic search, retrieves the actual source files, and explains my own code back to me with 100% accuracy. And also, there is also a feature in which it gives me the code suggestions that I just paste the code and get AI suggestions based on my learned patterns. I'll just type the file name in it and the context that's optional, and it will just give me the suggestion right there. And based on my response whether to accept or reject it, it will update it here. So let's move to the best part, which actually matters for the coders: VS Code. And if I open the VS Code right now, it'll just gonna show me an interface like this, and I'll just log in to this CodeGhost, and it says logged in successfully. And look at this. And this is actually the VS Code extension for the CodeGhost. You can take a closer look at it, and as you can see that when I click it, it shows me the CodeGhost chat and my patterns, which I haven't learned yet because I haven't loaded the code yet. And this is the code. And this extension connects to the same backend, giving me real-time suggestions to adhere to the patterns we just analyzed on the web. So, CodeGhost transforms AI from a generic tool to a personalized partner, built with Next.js, Supabase, and Gemini. This is CodeGhost. Thank you.